What if I told you that one person with zero editing skills, no expensive camera, and no team was able to grow a YouTube channel to thousands of subscribers in just a few weeks? And the secret wasn't luck. It was AI. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how creators are using artificial intelligence to grow faster than ever on platforms like YouTube. So if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to start, this video might change everything for you. Welcome to AIVerse Labs. In this video, we're breaking down a real-world system for growing on YouTube using AI tools, step by step. We'll explore how AI helps you find viral ideas, how it writes scripts in minutes, how it helps with editing, thumbnails, and consistency, and most importantly, how beginners are using it to compete with big creators. Let's begin. Meet Alex. Alex is just like most beginners. He wants to grow on YouTube, but he keeps running into the same problems. I don't know what videos to make. My scripts take too long. My videos don't get views. Weeks pass, then months. Nothing changes. Then one day, Alex discovers something that changes everything. AI tools. Tools powered by systems like OpenAI that can generate ideas, scripts, and even help structure full videos in seconds. At first, he doesn't believe it, but he tries anyway. And that's where everything starts shifting. Instead of guessing what to post, Alex uses AI tools combined with trend platforms like Google Trends. Now he can see what people are searching for, what topics are rising, what content is going viral right now. AI then turns those trends into video ideas instantly. No more guessing, no more burnout, just data-driven content creation. That's the first secret. Don't create randomly. Create based on demand. Next problem, scripting. Normally, writing a YouTube script takes hours, but Alex discovers AI script tools and frameworks used by creators and platforms like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. He simply inputs topic, audience, goal, and AI generates hooks, story flow, engagement points, call to actions. Just like that, a 1-hour task becomes 5 to 10 minutes. And here's the key insight. AI doesn't replace creativity. It speeds it up. Now Alex moves to production. Instead of hiring voice actors or spending hours recording, he uses tools like ElevenLabs for realistic voiceovers. Then, AI editing tools help. Cut silence, add captions, suggest visuals, even auto-generate B-roll ideas. What used to require a full team now becomes a one-person workflow. This is where YouTube automation becomes real. After just a few weeks, something changes. Alex's videos start getting more clicks, higher watch time, consistent uploads. Why? Because AI removed his biggest limitations: time, skill gaps, creative blocks. Now he focuses only on ideas and strategy. And that's the real power of AI on YouTube. Here's the truth. AI won't make you successful, but it will on YouTube. Here's the truth. AI won't make you successful, but it will make success faster, easier, and more scalable if you know how to use it. So if you're serious about growing on YouTube, start small. Use AI daily. Stay consistent. And remember, the creators winning in 2026 are not the most talented. If you found this valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to AIVerse Labs, and comment AI growth if you want part 2 on advanced AI YouTube strategies, because this is just the beginning.